This is Cassie Lumpkin with LumpkinPatchAntiques. I'm going to be making an Easter jar today, and I just wanted to give you a little tutorial. I started out with a candle jar. I got this one at a garage sale, but you could probably find it at the dollar store or maybe Goodwill, something like that. And it's got the little rubber gasket, so it fits on nicely. Now I have a smaller one too, but then I have this little book that I wanted to put there. Didn't really fit in the small one, so I decided to use the big one instead. Now this is Little Chick Chick it's a Tiny Tales book. These were made in the 1950s. Super cute. But it's one of those things, you get these cute books and then you don't know what to do with them. They just sit on a shelf and you rarely read them or look at them. But this is a nice way to display it so you can see it all the time. And it's just perfect because Easter's coming soon, and really you could use it all spring. It doesn't just have to be for Easter. I also got these little eggs. I got these on Amazon, but you could find them at Hobby Lobby most likely. And then this is just raffia that I've cut into little small pieces. And then I have these little scraps of lace. Now this is very old lace. I got it off of this doily, probably Victorian era. This doily had a lot of holes in it, so I couldn't really sell it as a single piece. But I've been able to use it for projects. I've probably used 10 projects out of this. So, well, I just love the design on it. It's so intricate. I wish we made things like this today. It's so pretty. But there are always little scrap pieces, and I hate throwing things away. So I took off all the little tiny scraps, and I'm going to use these for my little bird nest, because you've seen bird nests and they have all the little tiny fabric pieces. And I'll just give it kind of a dainty touch. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the raffia in the bottom and just fill it up. Let's see if I can get it all in there. But today is actually icy outside. I am ready for real spring. Ready for it to warm up. So I'm going to put the raffia in first. Don't want it to be too full, but definitely cover up the bottom. Let's see. And then I'm going to sprinkle in my little lace pieces here. I want to put it towards the front so that they can really be seen. Let's see. Here I have like a whole leaf, so I want to be strategic about where I put it so that it can be visible from the outside. Some of these others are just kind of scraps. Let's see. Get those in there. And I'm going to put my little chick chick in there. So I have to fold it a little bit, but it's kind of nice because it gives it a rounded look. There we go. Got my little chick chick. And then I'm going to go with, let's see, I think I'm going to go with the lighter blue eggs. They'll go well with the book there. And I'll arrange it just so. It's kind of hard because it's so small. And we'll put the lid on. And we have our little Easter chick chick. I think I'm going to take some of that raffia out. It's a little bit too much. There we go. Just smush it down some. We have our little Easter chick chick. And this would be cute on your table. Maybe a little mantelpiece. Any kind of little spring vignette you have.